So what brings you two here together today? One word: magic. Now, cynics say magic is just an illusion, but I believe in magic. I say it only becomes an illusion when it becomes routine, when you take it for granted. But I do know this, that the wonder is worth the work. Because the work means being there. It means paying attention, listening, touching, remembering, laughing, exploring, singing, spooning, trusting, sharing, caring about even the littlest thing, and never taking each other's presence, emotions, interests, habits, rhythms, or love for granted. Do the work, make the effort, and the wonder, the awe, the joy, the true head-slapping, ass-kicking, holy shit, how did they do that magic that is love and marriage will never die.
Michelle, my love for you is dynamic and intense. It ignites my soul. It invigorates and pulses through me. It is my rock. It is my home. I promise to love you with every breath, every step, every blink of my eye. I promise devotion, tenderness always, with intensity and purity. I promise to get us there, whether piloting our car or navigating through life. I promise he's here at our prelude to forever, to you as my wife.
I have realized that every choice in life, major or small, has led me to you, the most amazing, loving, humble, caring, compassionate, and genuine man that I have ever met. Since the first time I looked into your stunning brown eyes, I knew that one day we would be standing here in front of all of our family and friends as I give myself to you. I ask myself almost every day, how did I get so lucky to have our paths in life cross, to have you in my life, to have you choose me and love me. I am truly the luckiest girl in the world. I have found my best friend, my one true love, and my partner in life. It was always you and will always be you who holds my heart.